it's time for me to eat again. So I guess that means Trixie is going to eat as well. So let's see what happens. Trixie's here. Her dog bowl is in the corner once again. And I'm going to put this down here. Let's see what happens. What are we going to eat? What are we going to eat? I don't know. I guess I'll just have this. Yet again. I don't think this time I don't even have to take the food out. She just eats again. She doesn't even have to be hungry. She just eats again. Good girl. Come here. She only did that because she thought I was going to give her food. There you go.